Today we're going to play that traffic escape game. Think you can beat me? Try it. It's a free game. Let's load that guy. Here we go. Traffic escape. See the direction on the arrows on the cars, which way they can go. They will only go that direction. Don't hit that little guy walking. There we go. There we go. See there? Get those out without hitting another car or the guy walking. You're doing good. Sometimes you got to think ahead about which direction to go so you'll have an open spot. There we go. And we're opening up some lines for the cars here. Look at there, yeah. All right. Don't hit that little guy walking. That's a loss. You have to start over. Whoops. There we go. Cleared him out now. There we go. I think we got them all that time, yeah. Bronze League. Oh, here's another one. Get those easy ones first off. Get them out of the way. Yeah, see that goes around. There we go. Turn right. He goes around. He goes left. Straight. Okay, we cleared that level. Doing pretty good so far. $29 moves we got. 28, 27 left. See up there it says moves. That's how many moves you got left. You lose a move if you run into another car. You can skip a level if you need to, but you have to watch a video. Well, now what? Here we go. Sometimes you have to think ahead about which direction these cars are going to go so you don't run into another one. I got 4 moves left. Oh, 1 move left. Woo, that was close. Having fun? Yeah, but I'm not going to stop the game to rate it. Alright, 27 moves it says. That guy walking, look out, don't run over him. You don't have a lot of moves, so man, don't run into another car. You lose a move that way. I think we're going now. There we go. Got it, last one. 3 moves left. Woo! You don't get a lot of extra moves in this one, do you? Oh, we got a gift. All right. Coins. Open another. Get to watch a video if you want to open another. Level 39. Okay. We started off on 36. We're up to 39 now. Yeah, we're moving. Just be careful you don't run into another car. The little guy's not walking this one, this level. Skip a level if you want to watch a video. Oh, see there, I hit that car. One move left. Woo-wee. Almost ran out of moves. If you run out of moves, you're going to have to play the level again. Level 40. Skins? Nah. We'll get that. That's the starter skin. I think we just stay with that one. Level 40. Here we go. New element unlocked. Traffic light. Alright. Pick the easy ones first. Get them out of your way. Looks like there's a light bulb down there in the bottom right corner. That's probably a hint. Show you one that'll move if you get stuck. Watch your red light there. See, it's green. So far I don't have anything down there around it right now. Alright, got that level. More coins. Is that 1,812 coins? 41. Now this will probably be our last level today. We'll come back and play some more later though. I got more up there. Go check it out under cell phone games. Boy, a lot of cars here. Wow. See how the arrows on top of the car shows you which direction they're going to go. Okay, now what? Oops. Rammed that guy. I thought he might go up to that next turn, but he didn't. The next street, but... Sometimes it's kind of hard to see which ones to use next. There we go. That guy's out of the way. He's going to turn right. Yeah. Straight ahead. All right. Now we're going. All right. Oh, look out, Wayne. You rammed another car. Tried him before and he wouldn't go. Another one. 12 moves left. We may run out of moves on this one. We keep moving the same one. Now we've hit him 3 times now. Five moves left. We don't have enough moves. Ran out of moves. We can do that +5 if we want to. No. I gotta buy that one. To watch a video to get the other ones, looks like. Last move. Alright. Cleared that level. We went through 41. Alright. I think that's as far as we're going this time. Get back to the phone. We'll come back and play some more later. Go check out the other ones under cell phone games. Got a lot more of these up there. Check them out. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on, links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.